Hello, this is Judy Semugabi and I'm back with Luganda lesson 13. Essomo ery'ekkumi n'essatu mu Luganda. Today we are going to learn about okuwangaala n'okuggumiza mu Luganda. Long vowels and emphatic consonants in Luganda. This is when we use double vowels. Okuwangaala, we use double vowels. Okuggumiza, that's when we use double consonants in a word. Okuwangaala mu Luganda, long vowels in Luganda. So this is when we add two vowels, we use two vowels together in a word to prolong that word. When we announce that word, we prolong it. For example, okutuma. Okutuma is to send. Okutuma. Okutuma, you see, we've prolonged this one by adding two vowels. Okutuma, to name. You see, the meaning have changed from a single vowel, which is to send, okutuma, to send, into to name by using two vowels. Okutuma, to name. Okutuma, to name. Okusaba. Okusaba, to pray. Okusaba, to pray. Okusaba. Okusaba, to sneer. Bana, for people. Bana. Bana, children. Okusika. Okusika is to pull in English. Okusiika. Okusiika is to fly. Okukola. Okukola, that's to work or to do. Okukola. Okukola, that's to weed. Okusima. Okusima, to dig, like to dig a hole. Okusiima. Okusiima is to be thankful. Is to be thankful. Amazi. Amazi, that's feces. Amazi. Amazi, that's water. You see, if you mean this and you say this, then somebody will be confused. You're very angry with you. For example, if somebody say, can I give you amazi? Nkuwe amazi, when he means water. Nkuwe amazi. Nkuwe amazi. Can I give you water? But if you say nkuwe amazi, that means can I give you feces? That will be wrong. Omubi. Omubi, that's an ugly person or a bad person. Omubi. Omubi, that's a thief. Okuta. Okuta, to release. Okutta. Okutta, to kill. So now we are using double consonants, that's emphatic consonants, to emphasize that word. Kweku okuggumiza mu Luganda. Okuggumiza, emphatic consonants. We are doubling them. As you see, amazi, amaze. Okuta, okutta. So we are writing two double consonants to emphasize that word. Okuta is to release. Okutta is to kill. So imagine if you say you want to release somebody and you say in Luganda, oyo mute oyo mute, that is, or that person, release that person. But if you say oyo mutte when you are meaning mute, that means you are saying kill that person. So the way you say the word, change the meaning of that word. It's important to be careful when you say it. So okuta, to release, okutta, to kill. The meanings are way different. Ogula. Ogula is to buy. Gula. Gula is to open. Ebide. Ebide, those are bells. Ebide. Ebide, we are emphasizing this 2D. Ebide is plantain. Plantain, ebide. Odiba. Odiba. Obsolete. Obsolete or outdated. Ediba. Ediba. That's leather. That's leather. As you see, we are emphasizing the what? The consonants. And the meaning differ from a single consonant to a double consonant. Ogula is to buy. Gula is to open. Ebide, those are bells. Ebide, that's plantain. Odiba, that's outdated. Ediba, those leather. That's the end of our lesson 13. Enkomerera essomero ery'essomo 10 n'essatu. Oh, this is supposed to be 3, not 2. Thank you for listening. Webale kuwuliriza. Webale kuwuliriza. In singular, in plural, we say mwebale kuwuliriza. Mwebale kuwuliriza. If you missed other lessons, please find them on my YouTube channel, Judy's Basket. And when you get there, please don't forget to subscribe. I will appreciate that. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Webale nnyo. Webale nnyo. That is singular. Webale nnyo. But if I'm talking to many people, I'll say mwebale nnyo. Mwebale nnyo. Goodbye. Weraba. Weraba for singular. And plural will say mweraba. Mweraba. Thank you so much for listening to me. Hopefully you've learned something in this lesson. And I'll see you next time. Take care. Judy Semugabe Bachaita.